welcome back to my channel. So glad you're here. So glad you're supporting me. Today's episode is going to be the chicken run. So I have a video of us building the chicken run, but I thought I'd tell you a little bit beforehand. This is the finished run. So what we did was go from corner to corner of the coop, which is our shed-turned-coop. And then we went out just as far as we thought we needed with the girls. And then we have the turkeys in here right now because we were just in an ice storm, so everybody was together. My meat nuggets are in their own little area there, but pretty easy, pretty simple. You do the frame. We used green treated 2x4s and chicken wire. The roof is metal, so we have some metal that we actually got on Marketplace. We got a big load of metal. And then these are 1x4s. So pretty simple. I will put the material list on the description for you guys, but this is it. The girls have a door over there where they go in and out. We did a tire right here, and that's their what is it called? Dirt bath. Like their, I can't think of the name right now. I've got ducks over here. I've got dogs barking. I've got a turkey out. It never ends, I'm telling you. We also did a door. So we have the door, and when they free range, they take turns. So the meat nuggets will go out one day, and then the girls will go out another day. So all I do is leave this door open, and then they can come in and out as they want. Usually the water is in here. I have the food inside the coop and another water. But it's frozen right now since everything got frozen. But this is the perfect setup. Their little door is over there, and we have an automatic door. But I kind of keep it open because this is pretty safe. And I've had people ask me, because there's different kind of wires you can use. But we decided to use the chicken wire only because they're in another area. So if you look at here, I'll show you. So the coop and the run is over there, and then all of this is fenced in. So right now we have a temporary fence of wire and T-post, but our plan is to put some wood in and then leave the wire fencing so that they can't get out. But that'll all be fenced in. So they kind of have three areas. They've got in the coop, the run, and then we'll say the free range area, which is perfect for them. It doesn't have any grass. It didn't have anything when we started building here for them. And I chose this area because it was kind of in between these trees. So there's like a little kind of tree area here, and on each side there's no trees. So they have some protection, some shade. And so shade and sun. We have this net up right now. This is temporary until I figure out kind of what I want to do. I don't know if I want to build like maybe a little bit of an awning coming out or something, or a different kind of net, but that kind of protects them from like the eagle, hawks, owls, anything that's above them. They kind of have a safe area to go under if they go under there. And not go into the run. So they've got a couple of little areas that they can hide. Then we have, I'll show you this. So don't mind the mess right now. Like I said, we're coming off of that ice storm. That was so crazy in Tennessee. We have the gutter, which is our water catchment system. So this is kind of a temporary thing we set up right now, only because I'm still looking for the barrels to put the water in. I've contacted a couple people on Marketplace. People don't want to get back to you. So we kind of set this up with a trash can, and then this is just a metal barrel for now until I can figure out something else. But since we don't have electricity or water out here, this is our way of giving them water. We do have some solar panels we're going to hook up, so we will have electricity soon, I hope. But that's pretty much it. This is the run that we built for them. There still needs to be a little like fidging and stuff like that. I'm going to paint this black so that it kind of, you can't see it, and so it'll be aesthetically pleasing. And then the coop, of course, will be black. Those are the meat nuggets over there. So they have their little area right now. I'm going to move them to maybe another part of the run, or no, the what are we calling it? The free range area, because there's really no sun that gets over there. The sun is setting right now, and this is the only sun they have. And I know chickens don't like full sun all the time, but I have a place I'm going to put them where they can have sun and shade. So that's it. So watch the video. In the description, I'll put everything that you guys need to build an easy chicken run. And any questions, just ask. Thanks, guys.